This episode, apple dumpling. Looking pretty good. Looks pretty good, don't it? Hey, it's the real Aunt Millie's cookbook here. We're going to be making some apple dumplings tonight. I've got my apples already cut up, peeled, cored, ready to go. Now we're going to mix some brown sugar. I got brown sugar and cinnamon mixed in here. Enough cinnamon in there. I think I put two and a half teaspoons of cinnamon in here. There is 1 cup of brown sugar. I'm probably not going to use all this, but I wanted to make sure I have enough. And then I have a cup, little over a cup of melted, of soft butter. Just mix this all together till it's nice and creamy. I hope you guys are having a good evening. This is really simple, fast, simple, easy. You'll like it. Well, I hope you like it. Send me a little message telling me where you're watching from. I'll send you a hello. And I'm going to keep getting this mixed up here good. Now this is where I put my own little spin on this little recipe, because other recipes I've seen doesn't do this, but I like it. I like to give this a little pull. You don't have to stretch it too much and get, tear in it. You lay this down, take your apple wedge, and if your apple wedge is too small, add another one. Now here's where I do my own little thing. I like to take and put cinnamon butter right down on here. And then I take this, pull it up around it, and roll it. Just roll it just like you would your crescent roll. Just make sure they kind of go around. See? Just like this. Then we put it in the baking dish, and you continue till you get all your, this will make probably 8 or 16, I can't remember. I think it makes about 16 of them. Just pull it apart a little bit, put your wedge in there, put your brown sugar in there, pull it up, and roll it. Okay, just keep working these apples. Like I said, if you've got a small one like this, maybe you want to make that a little bigger, put another little piece in there. It's okay. Just do what you want to do. It's all right. Put you some apple butter in there. Don't put no apple butter in there. You want some cinnamon, brown sugar, butter. No apple butter. I like apple butter though. And just roll this. Like I said, just kind of close it up. Some of this is going to come out, but that's okay. It's going to make a nice little sauce. And that's okay. That's what we want. That little sauce that comes at the end of it. That's the best. Here we go. Now this really can be the longest part of it, but just have fun with it. Take your time. Make it. Enjoy it. Have a good time. See, now here, this is a pretty good size wedge, so you don't need anything else with that, just your butter. Now this is a good fall recipe because, season apples are in season. So it's just, this is a good little fall recipe. Can always fall back on it. Sorry, I just had to do that. It's all about fun, isn't it? I have fun doing it. I don't know about anybody else, but I have fun. Now I did put a little bit of lemon juice in these apples. You want to do that to keep them from turning brown before you get to use them. Of course, I don't peel them and core them until it's time to use them. Dough pulled out here, make it a little wider at the end. Then you're going to take your apple wedge, and if it's small, like I said, put another little one in there. Put them together. Put your butter right in here. Take your dough and wrap around, and then you take it and just wrap it just like this. See, and then kind of just squeeze it together here. Some of it may come out, but that's okay. Okay, let's finish it up. We got a couple more to go. Another can. I think, like I said, it makes about 16 of them. Doesn't it scare you when this pops open? No scare to you. There we go. When you do that with biscuits, boy, sometimes that'll scare you. Even though you know it's going to pop open, it still scares you. Now we're looking good. I'm going to stick one more little one in here. Put these in there. Okay. Da, 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 da. Here we go. Now we've got them all done. Looking pretty good, aren't they? Okay, now I'm going to take this little bowl right here. Put some of this in here. And now I have 2 cups of Mountain Dew. I'm going to put a little bit right in here. Just give it a mix. Again, this is my own little spin to it. I just mix this up. And another thing is, you're not going to pour the Mountain Dew on top of the crescent rolls. You're going to pour it along the side. Okay. Mix this up. Take this and just kind of daub it on there. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be any way, shape, or form. Just kind of put it on there. Again, this is just something that I did on my own and I liked it, so I do it. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just put it on there and kind of helps them brown a little bit. I've got my oven preheating to 350. These take about, oh, I don't know, 30-35 minutes. Looking pretty good, aren't they? Okay, like I said, just pour this right along the edges. And I have 2 cups in here. I may not need that whole 2 cups, but it doesn't look like I do. So you may only want to use a cup, but I want to make sure I have 2 cups because I wanted to make sure I have enough. Now these are ready for the oven, and we'll pop them in there, and we'll see you here in about 35 minutes. Okay, we're done. Apple dumplings are out of the oven. They're looking pretty good, aren't they? Oh, I can't wait. Let's get us one. Let's get us a plate first. Of course, you can get as many as you like. And there's some little sauce down in here. Get you some of that. Put right on top of there. Looking pretty good, aren't they? I can't wait. I'm going to have a bite. It's hot, 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 hot. Oh, it's so good. It is so good. Got to give it a try. Apple dumplings. They are so good. Got to get you some. I just want to say thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. Give it a try. I appreciate it. And we'll be, I'm not sure what we're going to do next trip, but something, Thanksgiving's coming up, so we may do some dressing. And I'd just like to say thank you guys for watching and supporting me. And I love y'all. Looking pretty good. Bye. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. See you soon. You know what would be good? Ice cream. Mm-hmm.